You're probably aware of how easy and convenient it is to use symbols within a single Flash movie. Now, let's imagine a situation where you can use those same symbols across several Flash files at once. Whether it's a large-scale website project, marketing kit, or banner project, chances are you're using the same trademarks, logos, and images across several files at the same time. Shared libraries allow us to have one common set of symbols that we can reuse across several Flash movies. This ensures that your movies are consistent across the board, and it makes managing large-scale projects a snap. So, let's see how it's done. An important and essential technique in managing large-scale Flash projects is the concept of shared libraries. In a shared library, we can essentially use an item from one document's library and link it to another document. This is essential if you have several documents which share common items, such as artwork and logos. To get started, we are actually going to open up 3 different files that are part of our master project. In this chapter's folder, open up the carsale 720x90.fla file, the carsale 300x250.fla file, and the mecarlogo.fla file. Let's take a brief look at these files and see how they actually work together inside of our larger project. Starting with the carsale 720x90, we'll see this is a standard ad banner, size 720x90 pixels, and this is for the Me car. And we see here we have some basic taglines and we have a picture of the car on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, we're eventually going to want to drop in the Me car logo, which is going to be common to all of the ad assets we're creating here. Along those lines, at the top, go ahead and click the tab for the carsale 300x250 document and bring that forward. So here, this is another variation on our same ad banner, and we see our taglines are in the middle this time, and we have our car picture at the bottom. And once again, we have some space at the top where we're eventually going to want to drop our Me car logo. Once again, at the top, click the tab for your Me car logo file and bring that forward. We'll see here that this is our Me car logo, and we're going to want to add this and incorporate this into our 2 ad banners. Now, while we could take this single logo and physically copy and paste it into the other 2 documents, what we're doing at that point is we're actually duplicating a resource that's common to all of these. That actually makes our job difficult in the long run because if we need to make any updates to this logo, we're going to have to go back and recopy that logo all over again. It makes a lot more sense to link our 2 banners to this single resource file so that any updates we make to the master logo file will then filter down to any other ad banners or any other project files using it. For this, we're going to make use of shared library items and design time sharing. In the next few steps, we're going to learn how to create a shared symbol, distribute that symbol to multiple FLAs. In turn, we're going to learn how to update that symbol and see how linking multiple FLA files to a single shared symbol actually saves us work, time, and makes our work more consistent across larger scale projects that use lots of different Flash files.